Let's talk about the sour sweetener now in the issue around the sugar scandal. And Wajir Women Rep Fatuma Ghedi has denied claims that she bribed her colleagues with 10,000 shillings to influence a no vote to throw the contraband sugar report out. She, however, admits that she was involved in serious lobbying for the report not to pass in Parliament.
Ghedi, who was mentioned by Kimilili Member of Parliament Didmus Barasa as one of the key people dishing out more money to MPs, now says she will seek recourse before the Powers and Privileges Committee. She also wants an apology from Didmus Barasa.
For me as an elected leader, I have a responsibility to oppose, as I said, and also to support. But in this report, yes, I did mobilize the members, and that is my responsibility. And I have no apologies to make to do that, because we saw the two co-chairs contradict themselves in this report. We saw the members themselves contradicting themselves in the same report, that it took times, weeks. We saw that. We saw the chair and a member in a national television discussing a report before tabling the House. What we saw in that House was the same committee who was speaking in two different languages. So as a member, and also a new member of this House, who will you believe? I read the report, and what I did was good for this country and was good for the House. I actually restored the dignity of the House. But I've never, ever bribed a single member.